Boys, I'm sorry. I'm actually so sorry. You're out of time. If you are in crypto right now, you are probably looking at these prices. At the time I'm filming this and being like, oh, okay, should I buy? Well, what's going on? I'm here to tell you, for the first time in probably like 3 months, I'm even more confident than I posted about a month ago that we have bottomed, okay? The bottom is in. If you are sitting here thinking, I'm not buying Bitcoin until $50,000 or $40,000 or $30,000. You're out of your mind. You're not getting it. It's not happening. I know that's a very unpopular opinion right now. I'm aware. I understand that most people coming into crypto think, oh man, I'm not buying this shit until we've crashed another 60%. But what if I told you, I've already lived through this one single time before, and it's almost the exact same thing. And I'm getting a little bit excited, if you can't tell. And I've been talking about it for the longest time, but that is 2021 part 2. Remember Joe Biden? Bro, like, we dealt with 4 years of...
America is a nation that can be defined in a single word. I was gonna
like that type of shit. How have you forgot? How have you not even realized that we're living through the same thing? Now, I understand there's a lot of Donald Trump memes going on, but that's what I'm getting at. We lived through 2021 already. And back then, what was the main narrative that was happening in crypto that was absolutely destroying us? It was China. Now what is it? It's Iran. You see what I'm getting at? How many times did we hit that bottom in 2021? I don't know, 1, 2, 3, something like that. How many times have we hit the bottom now in 2026? I don't know, 1, 2, 3, something like that. And don't get me started on the economic climate. Back then, everybody was so bullish. Everybody was, oh my God, we're gonna go up. And I was sitting there saying, no, guys, hey, we're gonna go down. And we ended up going down, bottoming, going back to all-time high. Then we had a massive crash. And if you guys are on my app, Market Mirror, which is on iOS and Android, by the way, you can see exactly what the whales are doing. And I've been telling you for the longest time now that the whales are still buying. As you can see, there's still buy pressure. We're bullish on the day right now. And a lot of stuff that we follow is still bullish. And I'm telling you, with like the most confidence I can have talking to you guys every single day, that the bottom's in. Your time is up. If you think that you're going to get a better buying opportunity than we had last week, you're not going to get it. I want to bring you guys to this. This is the Fear and Greed Index. I've talked about this a lot on the channel, and I believe in terms of free indicators that you can get practically anywhere, it is the most accurate read on the market because it tracks exactly what consumers are thinking. And I want you to think when we topped out. We topped out in October, right? October was the peak euphoria. Let's go back to October. If we go on here, you can go see all the way back to October, and you can see the exact day that we had the massive top out and then crash. And lo and behold, it's October 9th. Remember October 9th? Yeah, that's practically 9/11 in crypto. I mean, we went down tremendously that day. And as you can see, ever since October, it has been red. We had a little bit of a pump in January at 14th, but everything else has been red. And I still believe that when we're in max red like this says, you need to be buying. And when we're in max green, you need to be selling. It's that simple. You know, a couple days ago, I had my wedding in Hawaii, and my God, it was beautiful. I mean, we got married on the sunset. The water was just flowing in my face. Although I am sick, I got the jungle fever or something. It was out of a movie, dude. I mean, it was like French kiss. Best wedding I could have ever thought. But when I was having that wedding, that's when crypto crashed tremendously. And I remember sitting there that day and I'm like, you know what? This is the best day of my life. I gotta buy, okay? I have to buy more crypto. It's the only logical thing to do. So I did. I bought crypto and we've went up since then. We've went up tremendously. I think XRP's up from $1.04 all the way to damn near $1.30. And the sky's the limit. I wanted to end you off with this. I'm bullish. I still believe that XRP, and I believe a lot of these cryptos have bottomed and we're gonna go to all-time highs. And you might have a different opinion, and that's fine. But the data says otherwise. We have bottomed. This is the time to be buying. The whales are buying. And for the most part, things are looking bullish. Now, if we can get this Iran war out the way and we get these Donald Trump nonsense out the way a little bit, I think that we're going to be even better. But what I want to leave you with is I don't want you to be surprised when we're sitting at all-time highs here in the next 6 to 12 months. And you're sitting there thinking, man, I remember Cameron talking about that. You know what? Maybe the kid does have the chops after all. I mean, if I followed the Instagram, there's only like damn near 5 years of results and testimonials showing these exact plays. But yeah, to end off that story about the wedding, I entered a trade. As you can see in this video right here, we entered a position. That position went absolutely bananas. We went up, I think, $6,000 on Bitcoin. And there's a lot of data on Market Mirror that you can download right now in the App Store that'll show you exactly the same thing that I'm seeing. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Let me know if you think we bottomed or we going down even more. And if you're not already, be on the IG, subscribe, leave a like. And most importantly, be on Market Mirror. I post all my plays and updates as well there. And you can follow the whale to become the whale, because right now it is the easiest time to become a millionaire in crypto because we're at bottoms where most people are ignoring. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next one.